All-Weather Splash Guards protect your vehicle from mud, debris, water spray, and road damage. Round.my Today's video is about top 5 best all-weather splash guard that's available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Abia Jaeia All-Weather Splash Guard. This resin splash block is a practical and decorative addition to any home. It effectively directs rainwater away from the foundation, helping prevent erosion, seepage, and costly water damage. The 3 lifelike duck sculptures create a charming focal point that adds personality to gardens, patios, porches, and landscaping areas. Made from durable, UV-resistant resin, it stands up well to rain, snow, and intense sunlight without losing its appearance or functionality. Its sturdy construction keeps it securely positioned beneath downspouts, ensuring reliable water flow management in all seasons. Beyond its practical benefits, this splash block serves as a delightful garden accent that brings a fun and welcoming touch to outdoor spaces. The detailed duct design makes it an attractive conversation piece while still performing its drainage protection role effectively. It also makes a thoughtful gift for housewarmings, birthdays, holidays, or anyone who enjoys unique garden decor. Overall, it combines durability, functionality, and decorative appeal in one charming outdoor accessory. Now our second product is Abia Jaeia All-Weather Splash Guard. This turtle-themed resin splash block is a wonderful combination of functionality and outdoor decor. Designed to effectively channel rainwater away from your home's foundation, it helps reduce the risk of erosion, cracks, seepage, and water damage. It provides reliable drainage while keeping the area around your downspout protected. The 3 lifelike turtle sculptures add a unique and charming touch to gardens, patios, porches, and landscape spaces. Their detailed design makes this splash block more than just a practical accessory. It becomes an attractive decorative feature that enhances any outdoor setting. Constructed from high-strength, UV-resistant resin, it is built to withstand rain, snow, and prolonged sun exposure without losing its durability or appearance. The sturdy design stays securely in place, ensuring dependable performance throughout the year. Perfect for homeowners who appreciate both utility and style, this splash block also makes a thoughtful gift for birthdays, housewarmings, holidays, or special occasions. It's a fun and practical addition that brings character and protection to any outdoor space. Our third product is Teisaiko All-Weather Splash Guard. This downspout splash block is a simple yet highly effective solution for managing rainwater around your home. It efficiently directs water away from the foundation, helping prevent soil erosion, water pooling, and costly structural damage. By improving drainage, it can also reduce long-term maintenance needs. The unique ladder-down design with a 15-degree slope allows water to flow smoothly while minimizing dirt and debris buildup. It works well even on flat ground, ensuring consistent performance during heavy rainfall. Installation is quick and hassle-free. With pre-made mounting holes and included PP fixing screws, the splash block stays securely in place, even during strong winds and storms. The added stability provides peace of mind throughout the year. Made from durable, UV-resistant PP material, it resists fading, cracking, and deformation in all weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting use. Suitable for various downpipe types, this versatile splash block is a practical and reliable choice for protecting your home's foundation and maintaining a cleaner outdoor space. Now number 4, Tino All-Weather Splash Guard. The Tino Butterfly Gutter Downspout Decor is a charming way to add personality and functionality to any outdoor space. Designed to fit standard rectangular downspouts, it transforms an ordinary gutter into an eye-catching garden accent while helping guide rainwater away from your home. The butterfly design is beautifully detailed and hand-painted, creating a cheerful focal point for gardens, patios, yards, and walkways. Its protective surface coating helps resist fading, bubbling, and weather-related wear, allowing it to maintain its attractive appearance through both sunny and rainy seasons. Beyond its decorative appeal, this downspout extension brings a whimsical and welcoming atmosphere to outdoor areas. The durable construction and thoughtful sizing make installation simple, provided your downspout dimensions match the specified measurements. It also makes a wonderful gift for butterfly lovers, gardeners, or new homeowners looking to enhance their outdoor decor. Combining practicality with artistic charm, this butterfly downspout sculpture is a delightful addition that adds color, character, and a touch of fun to any landscape. And our last choice is Rainwater All-Weather Splash Guard. This bird downspout extender is a fun and functional addition to any garden. Designed to fit rectangular downspouts up to 3 inches by 4 inches, it helps direct rainwater away from your home while adding a playful decorative touch to your outdoor space. Crafted from natural resin, it offers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional metal or plastic diverters. The charming bird design brings personality and warmth to gardens, patios, and landscaping areas, making it a delightful decoration throughout all 4 seasons. Each piece is carefully hand-painted and finished with a weather-resistant coating, helping maintain its vibrant appearance through rain, sun, and changing temperatures. The durable construction ensures long-lasting performance and beauty year after year. Beyond its practical use, this downspout extender makes a memorable gift for gardeners, bird lovers, and homeowners. Whether for a birthday, Christmas, or housewarming celebration, it is sure to bring smiles and compliments. Combining reliable water diversion with unique artistic appeal, this bird downspout extender is both a useful and charming outdoor accent. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.